Guys, we're preparing for Hurricane Melissa, my love. At the supermarket shopping. Guys, my box I put my grocery into. Guys, I just pick up so far. There, right there, so. So, may I look at me still a sardine, guys. Sardine, things stuff. Cause you know, say them say the light I go lock off. So, it make sense to buy. Now, what if I'm meat? When them wear there, so yeah. So, the supermarket stuff time. I was gonna pick up something like I'm still have to bed anyway. I still have to bed. Don't touch roots. But help me shop around, guys. That's what I'm going in Jamaica right now with the storm. Melissa. Turn it. So, yeah, that's true. So there is nothing in the fridge. Yes. All we have in the fridge right now, guys, is scraps. Where is this fish? Snapper fish. What's in the fridge right now? Fridge, Jamaica sell out. American, Canada, England, Bahamas, Caribbean country, anywhere there. Jamaica supermarkets sell out. You don't have to send barrel now. You don't have to send barrel. You have juice on the shelf.
This time microwave mix and the microwave the 100% all the tablets ready by
Turn on it, let me see. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Go. Suicide. look so. Guys, look at in a real life. Jesus, look here. Wanna move? Guys, look in a real life. Look here. Look at Jamaica, Melissa. Mighty God. Jesus. Guys, look in a real life. Look here. We are out on the road, guys. Look there. Yeah. Guys, look here. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Guys, it's not funny. Guys, it's not funny. Please like on the video, share the video, guys. Subscribe to the video, guys. Guys, you have to subscribe so that I can see more. Guys, if you don't subscribe, then what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, guys? Please subscribe to my channel. Oh my God. Guys, what are you waiting for? Seriously, no? Guys, may I tell you something? In a real life, them say Melissa they in a Jamaica. Them say Melissa they in a Jamaica. Guys, you know what I'm saying? I live near the sea. Near the sea, I live, guys. So I try to make a little video. Try to make a little video. I get a call. Guys, them say Melissa serious. Serious. No, the blue one, the red, the green one.
The green one.
The green one, yeah. And me I tell you, say guys, it's not normal. But me I say guys, you see what I want in the video, right? Now you see what I want in the video. Please like up my video, guys. Share up my video, subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you for those that subscribe already. And if you're not subscribed already, guys, and you reach this far, just touch the like button now, guys. Put on your notification bell so when I upload a video, you will get it. Alright, so please, guys, like up the video, guys. Share up the video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Petrina's Lifestyle. And you know what to do. Tell somebody, guys, a family member, friends to go and subscribe. Guys, support me and subscribe to the channel now. You're not paying the money, you know. It not cost you nothing just to touch the something. If you really and truly want to support me, just support me and subscribe to my channel. And if you subscribe already, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right? Thumbs up to my channel because you know all YouTube see it. When you subscribe and you thumbs up, you know all the things said. So please guys, like up the video, share up the video, subscribe, and thank you my viewers. Thank you for those that. Thank you. Yeah, you see what me tell you? How much me get this on? Guys, you know me I do me I buy set of my lamp now. Yeah, I mean at this time you have to keep them. You don't know if your neighbor want $1 or something. And like how me up on the road, a fish here, biggie. Let me see that fish there. Ah? You want this one? Me a look. How you turn this? Let me see him not turning around. How much is something like this? Oh no, wait, how much is something like this? I'm in a fridge, you know. In big door.
You can get me 5-5.
5-5, you know, me not have so much.
Everything clean.
Me not have so much money in
You
my.
can get more, me a different size.
Oh, me not have so much money. Alright, me I go up and come back.
No man, you are
Me I want.
you can make your amount if you want.
So how much you want of them there?
Oh, 2 grand.
And then me can buy, no light now got the JPS light so me can buy fish you put up.
For your size, and you have food and get healthy.
Let me so you see you, sir.
3, 4, 4, 5.
Me not have so much money. Me not have 4 or 5. Me I tell you the truth. Me not have 4 or 5. Me I tell you say me out there so me live. Me soon come. Me not have so much money.
You're not here. We can't down to 2, 3.
Me not have the money and the people them not. And then not have the money in here. Yeah, people them say they don't have money because me never come for buy fish at grocery. Me soon come. Me soon come. Me soon.
I told US, I hold the US video. So they will bring fish.
Alright, me soon come and that's why me want more. Me soon come.
If you cap with me, so you come back.
Yeah, left a what?
Cap.
Me cap.
Yeah.
Then when me come out take care, if I come out take care, for go fee money.
Yeah, we come on.
Me not live far. Yeah, me for come out take care. Me soon come.
How much money you want?
Me soon come. Me might, you don't know how much me I go buy when me come back.
You want clean up you? You want 5 pounds?
No, when me come back, no clean it up. When me come back, me soon. Yeah, hold up my time. You know want me for go feet and come. Yeah. Me think I'm alright. Come now. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Jamaican people are the best, guys. I want me to say, but guys, remember what me that saying about what me can't tell you. Jamaican people are the best in Melissa. Yeah. Melissa go on and the man go on with himself and Melissa go on. But as me say, guys, please like up the video, share the video, subscribe to the video, put on the notification bell so when I upload a video, guys, go watch out my other rest of video them. And please, guys, just subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, be a nice subscriber and just touch the subscribe button. Alright, guys, what more you want me to do? Tell me what more you want me to say. Alright, so bye, peace. I mean, I tell you, say, guys, you know, watch out. Watch out for Melissa. They're on the safe side. Make sure all of the people them who live in the flood town area, please to keep safe. All right. Me I go home now, guys. Right? Me I go home go cook some food here. The man I tell me about him fish. How much money want the fish must weigh must about 2 pounds. Him say 5-5. 5-5. You see what I go on? What I go on, guys? Nah, Melissa, yeah. But remember, them say the light I go cut off, so you know, make sense. You have no whole pan meat and store. Anything you buy now, I have to cook for today. If you buy something for tomorrow, I have to cook for tomorrow. And that's how the things stay till when things come back normal. Alright? So, peace out and bye. Alright? Bye-bye. Keep safe. Alright?